today I'm going to be going over 8 different ways you guys can get SEO clients. Whether you're brand new to SEO or you experience, each of these ways are going to open up new doors and opportunities for you guys to get those valued clients. So the first thing I look at when getting clients is working with the Chamber of Commerce. You know, Chamber of Commerce has a lot of different benefits. You have business owners right there, and you can start networking with them. So with this, some of the different ways you guys can get clients: obviously network with other people, talk to them at different meetings, at different events that you can go to. Highly recommend that. You can also go out there and build your chamber a new website and start SEOing that website if it's really bad. You can go out there and actually audit some of the different members' websites and present it to them at different meetings or something like that, or you can give presentations to the group. There's endless opportunities. Everyone at the chamber is either a business owner, and you know they have a lot of business friends. So number one place I'd recommend going out there. That leads me on to number 2, which is different business networking events. Whether your city should have different networking groups and stuff like that, check them out. A lot of different entrepreneurs and stuff like that, startups. Go out there, start talking to people, shaking hands. You never know who someone knows, and on top of that, you know there's other business owners out there. So yeah, go out there, meet people, shake hands, and get to know their business models, get to know them as a person, and you know deals will be made. Third thing I like looking at is freelance websites. So whether it's Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, People Per Hour, whatever it is out there, there's clients out there that are looking for SEO services. Now, as a caveat, a lot of these are really low-end jobs. You know, maybe $10, $15 an hour. There can be some up there, $30, $40, $50 an hour. You have to go look through a lot of them, but they all start small. So whether you want to do backlink building, whether you want to do audits, keyword research, you know, one-off SEO tasks like Yoast setup, you know, whatever it is, right? People out there need these services done for their website. Go out there and get it done, and after that one-off task, right, you already worked with them, you already know their website, you know their needs, you know, you may be able to convert them to a client, send them over a proposal, talk to them on a call, whatever it takes to land that client. The next way is kind of old-fashioned, is talk to your friends and family, right? You should all have different friend groups. You should all hopefully have large extended family. You might have potential entrepreneurs in your family that you don't know about. You know, one of your friends' dads or moms might own a small business, or they might have a mutual friend that owns a business. You know, going out there, talking to people, and letting everyone you know that, hey, I have an SEO business. I want to drive results to other people's businesses. I want to work on their websites and get them more leads, stuff like that. Just telling people that you know you're driven, you're motivated, and that you want to get this to succeed. There you go. One of the ways it's been talked about in a lot of different videos, but still have to address it here, is a cold email and kind of like cold approach in a sense. So you either go out there, cold email different businesses, find different business on the second, third page or whatever, find issues with their site, you know, multiple H1 tags, they don't have SSL certificate, really outdated web design, stuff like that. You can either send them over an audit or like a fake audit or something like that, or just let them know, hey, you have some issues with your site, and there you go, and pretty much build that relationship there. Or you can find those businesses and walk into them in person, try to talk to the business owner there, and build that type of connection. And you know, it helps if you bring in some type of sweet or food or something like that to give the tip. Let's have a few more here. Let's see. Oh yeah, these 2 more, or 3 more. The next one I'd say is partner with a local web design agency. If they aren't doing SEO, they have all these different websites that have the need to get SEO and get some more results to their site. So partner with them, whether you want to do the SEO actually for the web design agency to get their rankings higher, or do some type of white label deal, or you know, build some type of connection with them, work with them, and yeah, you'll get lots of leads from them if you can work out that deal appropriately. The next one I have there is working with going to trade shows. So trade shows, you have a lot of different businesses there. They all have their products on display, and people there are either the owner, CEO, or there's some type of marketer that works with the company. A lot of the smaller ones will have their owners there pitching their own product. So go around there. you might be able to do research beforehand if you can look on the trade show website, anything like that. So go out there, find the businesses that you want to target, go out, talk to them, show them an audit or two, and, just go through, find keywords for them, whatever it takes, and start networking with them. And, oh yeah, the last one on this list is going on online forums. So business owners might have questions about their website or SEO in general, whether it's Yahoo Answers, Quora, or other different search websites or Google. People are going to be asking, hey, my rankings went down, what happened? Or how do I set up Google Analytics? Or how do I set up Google Search Console? Or anything like that can be out there. Spend some time, do some research, and answer those questions. You never know what the budget of these businesses are, and on top of that, you can start building your authority on all these different websites where people ask questions, and once you're the expert, people want to go to the expert for services. Anyways, guys, that is it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below, and then check the description for some important links, whether you want to get some web hosting, want to learn ClickFunnels, or you want to order some services through us. Anyways, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.